Hello everyone, in this video we'll talk about CNC stock and key level to was June 29, 2026. In last trading session, the stock firm day bullish candle closed at $65.73. On the weekly time frame, the stock breakout its trend line. The stock made a high of $66.75. On the daily time frame, the key support level is $61.79. If the price goes below $61.79, it could test $59.93. The key resistance level is $66.75. If the price breaks above $66.75, it could test $68.31. That's my view on CNC stock today. If you found this helpful, please subscribe for more update. This video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. Always do your own research before investing. Thanks for watching.